Hi everyone, welcome to Discovering Natural, and if this is your first time watching our videos, we want you to click that subscribe button over there to subscribe to our channel, because we have valuable information that will help you with your natural hair and also with your kids' natural hair. So rice water is something that has started trending once again, and about 2 years ago I talked about how I used rice water in my hair. I showed a demonstration of how I used it, and I also did a video how I incorporated it with black tea rinses. Rice water has many benefits, and yes, benefits of hair growth, promotion, hair retention, benefits of strengthening your hair, and also benefits of improving the elasticity of your hair. Rice water has a lot of nutrients, and I bet that if you've ever used rice water before, you know those benefits. But today we are not talking about benefits. Today I'm talking about what you need to watch out for when you are using rice water in your hair. So the first thing that you have to realize about rice water rinses is that rice water is considered pretty much almost like a protein treatment, because rice contains protein. It really depends on what type of rice you buy. It doesn't matter like organic and all that stuff. What matters is that, for example, brown rice has the least amount of protein, about 3.6 or so grams of protein. White rice has about between 3.5 to by 4.6, something in that range, grams of protein. Now the biggest one, if you're someone that you really need a lot of protein in your hair, is wild rice. Wild rice has about 25 grams of protein. So one thing you have to realize is that if you're someone that your hair doesn't take too much to protein treatments, gets really brittle and gets really weird, be careful the way you use rice water. I will suggest that when you use rice water, add some oils to it. The way that I do mine is I make my rice water and then I add like rosemary oil and other. Lavender oil is one of my favorite, and other oils that can help you. Now that's one thing. The second thing that you have to be mindful when you use rice water is that rice water is not a moisturizer. Rice water, yes, your hair might feel soft, but you still need to moisturize your hair. You don't want to use rice water every single day. I'm going to repeat myself. You don't want to use it every single day. One thing is this: if you use it too much, rice water can create a layer on your hair, and that layer can make it brittle. So you have to be very careful. That's why it's advisable when you use rice water, use it on wash day and wash day only. If you're someone that you've used rice water and you feel that, why am I not seeing results that I should be seeing, results such as my hair growing, results such as my hair elasticity improving, it could be because you are not consistent in the way you use rice water. Any kind of treatments you do, consistency is crucial. Consistency has to do with every aspect of your life. So if you're someone that you want to try to be fit, if you don't exercise all the time and you just do it once in a while, and then you wonder, why don't I have those muscles? You don't have those muscles because you are skipping it and you are doing other stuff. So consistency is key. When I did the rice water treatment, I did not do a video until about 6 months of using it. It improved the health of my hair. It made it thicker and fuller and everything. But one thing that it did the best was improve the elasticity of my hair. You can go back to videos from about 2015, 2014, and you can see how my hair kind of looked limp. It didn't have this kind of volume and stuff. So you have to be consistent to see the results that you want. The last thing I want to tell you is that no matter what kind of treatments you do, rice water, tea rinses, all that stuff, they all have benefits, okay? They all have benefits, but the thing is this: you need to focus on healthy lifestyle. If your health is not up to par, if you're eating the wrong things, if you're using things that are damaging to your hair, to your body, the results that you want to see from rice water rinses, you're not going to see it, and then you're going to chalk it up to rice water doesn't work. So the thing is this: you are not practicing healthy hair habits that will help with the rice water, that will help show that the rice water is working and all that stuff. So that is the video. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and please, if you've not subscribed, subscribe to the channel. And I'd also like to know, have you ever used rice water in your hair before? If you do, comment below and share with us what you think about it. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.